During simulation, you may feel your model is running slowly. Sometimes configuration settings, solver selection, or inefficient blocks can cause a slowdown. Simulink Performance Advisor analyzes your model and detects opportunities for simulation speedups. You can run Performance Advisor from the Analysis menu or directly from the Advisor button on the editor. To run Performance Advisor, you'll need to prepare your model. First, make sure the model can simulate without any errors. Then you'll need to log some signals. Those signals will be used to ensure future simulation accuracy. Logging too many signals can slow down analysis, so select only the most important ones. Click Run Selected Checks to run with the default recommended settings. Performance Advisor will generate advice and automatically apply changes to speed up your model. A quick scan of the generated report shows the results for each individual check. A final validation check shows the overall speed improvement. In this example, the simulation time has been improved by 46%. Now let's see how Performance Advisor works. This particular check looks at optimization settings. Certain optimizations, when enabled, will accelerate simulation. This check is set to automatically apply changes to speed up your model. As you can see, Performance Advisor advises that these settings be turned on and reports that it made the changes for you. Advice generated by some checks may not always improve performance. In the solver selection check, Performance Advisor recommended changing the solver from ODE 23S to ODE 45. Validation shows that although the speed improved, the simulation results did not match the baseline. The changes were then reverted and the solver set back to ODE 23S. To compare the results between the baseline and simulation using the ODE 45 solver, click on the hyperlink to view the comparison in the Simulink Data Inspector. By default, the check for interpreted MATLAB function blocks has an action parameter set to manually. You can set this check to automatically apply advice and make changes directly to the model. If you would like Performance Advisor to validate its own advice, select Validate Time and Validate Accuracy. As you can see, Performance Advisor replaced an interpreted MATLAB function block with a MATLAB function block and sped up the simulation by 21% while maintaining accuracy. For simplicity, you may want to apply parameter settings to all checks. You can do this by selecting Performance Advisor and set the action type to automatically to allow it to apply changes to speed up your model. You can also have Performance Advisor validate its own advice. Performance Advisor does not automatically save the changes it made. Once you are satisfied with the results of Performance Advisor, you can save the model. If you choose not to take the advice that Performance Advisor applied to your model, simply close it without saving.